मुझे इंडियन सोसाइटी की एक बात समझ नहीं आती. वाई आर वी पुशिंग पीपल इनटू मैरिजेस एंड इनटू हैविंग किड्स? These decisions are some of the most important decisions that you will ever make in your life. And if you get these wrong, then you're screwed for life. तो पेरेंट्स को ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि उनके बच्चों को इस चीज़ों के लिए फोर्स करना ज़रूरी है? नॉट 10 साल के बच्चे, दे फोर्सिंग देयर किड्स इन द लेट 20s or early 30s. I mean, they are mature enough to make these decisions for themselves, and they don't really need to be pushed into these decisions. As a functional medicine coach, I think some of the most difficult cases that I have to work on are those of women who were pushed into motherhood before they were ready or even willing, or women who are stuck in dysfunctional marriages or were pushed into marriages or setups that they are not really happy in. Because unfortunately, there is no pill that you can take to erase the damage that these things really caused you. And if you really think about it, it's not rocket science to be able to figure out why women of this generation are not really willing to settle down as fast or as early on as their mothers. Because हमने हमारी moms को struggle करते हुए देखा है. They've always sacrificed everything for the sake of the family, for the sake of the greater good. And in return, today they are really struggling with a lot of health issues. Women in their 50s and 60s tend to develop so many problems. And that's partially because they have neglected their bodies unknowingly for years, for decades. So we don't want that life. And if that makes us selfish, so be it. बहुत चीज़ें बदलने की ज़रूरत है in the Indian society. अभी भी बहुत काम बाकी है. So if this resonated with you, share this reel with somebody to get the conversation started. We need to be talking more about this, and hopefully things are going to get a lot better in the coming years.